Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to level up your Bible study routine using Notion. And here's the best part. You'll learn how to make your sessions faster, more organized, and visually professional thanks to Notion's free Bible study template. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set up your own beautifully structured Bible study space in Notion and even personalize it so it truly fits your unique style and needs. All right, let's jump right in. First off, if you're new to Notion templates, think of them as pre-built workspaces that save you hours of setup. Instead of starting with a blank page, templates lay the groundwork for you, just like picking out a lined notebook instead of a plain one. So your notes actually look good as you write. For this demo, we're going to focus on grabbing the free Bible study template, which instantly gives your work a polished, professional vibe. The best part is, everything can be customized later if you want to add your own twist. To kick things off, open up your Notion dashboard. Now, look towards the very top left corner. You'll see a little drop-down menu with more options. Go ahead and click there. It might feel a bit tucked away, but this is where most of Notion's useful features are hiding. Inside that menu, find and select Browse Templates. This step might take a second as Notion loads up all the available templates. Don't worry if it lags briefly. It's just scanning a pretty big library. Once you're in the template gallery, you'll see a range of options for everything from journaling to project management. But for today, let's get specific. Type Bible study into the search bar at the top. Notion will pull up several template choices. Take a moment to review them. Each template has a slightly different layout, so see which one resonates with your style of study. For example, some will have spaces dedicated to reflections, others offer daily verse trackers, and a few might even include group study tools. Pick the template that fits the way you like to study. There's really no wrong choice here. Then, simply click on the one you want and hit Add. Once the template drops into your workspace, you're ready to start customizing. This is where it really gets personal. First, fill out your credentials, maybe your study goals, the version of the Bible you're using, or even a few intentions for the season. Adding these details helps you stay focused and motivated instead of just opening up a blank page and wondering what to do next. Beyond that, get creative. You can add sections for sermon notes, prayer requests, or inspirational images and quotes that move you. If you want, change up the colors, rearrange parts, or embed voice notes, whatever helps you connect better with your studies. No need to stress if this takes a little time or if you're not sure what sections you'll use yet. Remember, Notion is designed to be flexible, and you can always tweak things as you grow in your study journey. And that's really it. With these steps, you've taken your Bible study routine from scattered sticky notes or random Google Docs into a unified, customizable space that's both aesthetic and practical. If you found this Notion tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you want to share how you're using Notion for your own studies. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the next tutorial, where we dive even deeper into Notion tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy studying!